In today's video, we're going to create your perfect day, and I'm going to introduce a new feature that I'm going to add to our Enhance the Seasons YouTube community. Hi there, sweet friends. I'm so looking forward to this video and spending time with all of you. Like I shared, we're going to talk a little bit today about creating that perfect day. Now, let's be quite honest with you. Is there ever the absolute perfect day? Maybe so, maybe not. But if you can map out what the perfect day would be, and even if you are such a busy person, you work nonstop, you've got children, family, whatever it is, I want to help you map out, even if it's the perfect hour, the perfect 15 minutes. Because at the end of the day, friends, we really need to take time out for ourselves. So we're going to do a little bit of an exercise today. And so the first thing we're going to start off is go ahead and get yourself a cozy cup of tea, coffee, glass of wine, whatever it is that you actually what helps you to relax. What is the one thing as far as sipping on that helps you to relax? Next, we're going to go ahead and create the comfort, cozy atmosphere. And one of the things that I love to do is I love to put on certain YouTube channels that have beautiful scenery and lovely soft kind of jazz music. I'm one of these people that I don't like to be in a quiet space. It's deafening to me for some reason. I know that sounds weird, but I do like to have some kind of soft music. So for me, that just puts me in such the perfect mood and gets my mind relaxed and ready to open and to think and to meditate, journal, do my Bible studies, whatever it is. So if you prefer quietness, then by all means, have it be quiet. But if you're like me and you like a little bit of scenery and soft music, I'm gonna go ahead and share some of my favorite channels with you. Then the next thing I want you to do is find that spot in your home and that's quiet. And I want to share with you what I'm seeing from my end because it's clean, it's clutter-free, because the last thing you want to do is sit somewhere and as you're sitting there, all you're looking at is, oh my gosh, it's so dusty in here. Oh my gosh, it's so cluttered. And your mind's not focusing on what we want you to focus on. So if that means maybe go into a local coffee shop that's a small, intimate little place that's quiet. You can sit in there, just a quiet space, your local library, wherever that is that you can just sit and be in the moment. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to grab paper and pencil. And then this is where it all starts. So during this exercise, I just want you to take a few minutes and enjoy either the quietness or the soft music and think about what are the things that you love to do most. What makes you want to get out of bed in the morning and put a smile on your face? What is that? And it could be anything, friends. It could be anything. It could be spending some quiet time with yourself. It could be exercising. It could be meditating. It could be doing journaling. It could be reading. It could be spending time with a loved one. Whatever that is, write that down. Write down what it feels like to be doing that. Write down how that makes you feel. And just start writing. And if you're stuck, that's okay. That's okay. Close your eyes and then just let your mind think about what is my perfect day. And like I said, it doesn't have to be the perfect 24 hours. It Maybe what's your perfect hour or your perfect 15 minutes? Whatever it is that you have. Let's start, and let's design the perfect day. I thought I'd take a little time and share with you a little bit about what is my perfect day. My perfect day starts by getting up early, around 6:45, and I am very blessed that my husband will bring me in a cup of coffee, and I like to sip on it while I enjoy watching the Today Show just to catch up on a few moments on what's going on in the world. And then I make my bed and then come out to the living room and dinette and turn on some cozy lighting, turn on the fireplace. Then I like to sit where my new favorite spot is in the home, and depending on my day, but I like to take at least about 15 minutes to journal. And then soon I'm going to be adding a new Bible study, so this is where I will be working on that. Then after that, I like to head into my home office, and I do like to put on one of my cozy, soft jazz YouTube channels while I start to work on the content of Enhance the Seasons. I'm always so busy trying to create, and I pray that at that point in time, my brain can be creative and I can start just planning things out for the next month. And then from there, my perfect day is having a healthy breakfast, throwing in some laundry, and making sure that I drink at least 80 ounces of water. So my water intake starts from the very beginning, first thing in the morning. And if I can continue and get my 80 ounces in every day and eat healthy meals and get some things done and feel like I've accomplished a lot with my business, all that creates the perfect day. Friends, I wanted to introduce, before I get started more into today's video, a new thing that I thought would be just something really special to add to our Enhance the Seasons community. I'm not quite sure if you guys were watching the channel back during COVID when I did the, oh my goodness, what was it called? The Vlog of Hope, I think. But anyway, I loved how we had special intentions and people that we were praying for, and everyone put that in the comment section. I think it was just so wonderful that our community came together and prayed for people that needed prayers and lifted people up that needed that. So I want to go back to that again. And so in every one of my videos, the very first comment in the comment section, I'm going to write something there, and that's what I would love for all of you to reply to that comment with any special intentions that you have, special prayers that you would like for all of us to pray for. I just want this to be a community where we've become friends, and I know some of you have made friends through this other subscribers, and I think that's so wonderful. And how you all communicate when someone has a time of need and you all respond to that. And when I see that in the comment section, that brings so much joy to my heart, and I want that to continue. So let's go ahead and be this amazing, close, loving, kind community, and let's just be there for one another. And I hope that you enjoy this new little element that I want to add to the channel. I think it's really important, especially in the world that we live in today. And well, I love you all, and I just think that, well, the power of prayer, right? After relaxing and spending some time working on my perfect day, I'm actually a little bit hungry. So I wanted to share with you a delicious, healthy salad. I've never made this before, so we're gonna make it together for the first time. And it's actually called an egg avocado salad toasts with Israel salad. So I'm looking forward to trying something yummy and delicious and healthy. And so it basically calls for cucumber and onion, that's optional, fresh parsley, tomato, lemon juice, pepper, a little salt, hard-boiled eggs, and ripe avocado, Dijon mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, and ground paprika, and then some whole wheat crackers. Got my delicious healthy salad here. I cannot wait to taste test. Let's give it a try. Get some cucumber and some tomato. So good. I love vegetables. Now, on my wasa cracker. Lots of delicious flavors here. So super yummy and healthy. And I really hope, friends, today that you were able to get something out of this video. You know, with this channel, I really want to be able to share so many different things with you that I am passionate about and that I really do think that you would love. And this is a season for resetting. It's 2024, and I just want you all to take time and realize how important it is to spend some me time. And I think it's important to spend some time journaling. If you want me to share some journals that I love, I will go ahead and list them in the description section. And a few self-help books that I enjoy. Ones that are not only self-help, but just helps you get into the coziness of the winter season and just embrace it. It doesn't have to be so drab, dreary, and gray in the winter. It can really be a special time to reset and renew and become the more happier you. Love you all, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Friends, I hope that you will tune in to my next video where we're gonna spend a cozy winter day together.